दिन का ना मैंने बहुत दिन बहुत छोटी चीज़ होगी बट बहुत सालों से इंतज़ार किया है। मैं पता नहीं इस कॉन्सेप्ट को यूज़ करने के लिए या फिर ऐसे एक वीडियो बनाने के लिए कितने दिन से सोच रहा था, बट अल्टीमेटली जो है सो है यार। जितने पैसे अपने को ये काम करने के लिए चाहिए थे वो अल्टीमेटली हो पाया। और बहुत सारे ड्रामे हैं बट उनके बीच हम कुछ तो कर पाए। तो चलते यार, पहले दिन है जहाँ पे लाइक पैसेंजर्स शायद बैठेंगे नहीं बैठेंगे कोई आइडिया नहीं है। हमारे लिए वीकेंड है, हम घूमने के लिए निकले हैं और होपफुली कुछ अच्छे कॉन्वर्सेशंस होंगे, कुछ अच्छे लोगों से मिलेंगे हम और चीज़ें यार सही दिशा में जाएं। तो यार ओम गणेशाय नमः, हर हर महादेव। शुरू करते हैं फिर। फर्स्ट डे है सर अभी।
क्या बात है?
अपना फोन ऑन है, मैं वो देख रहा हूँ रिसाउंड कहाँ से आ रहा है। 2165
নতুন গাড়ি একদম দেখেছো। টাটা।
पुराना थाकले भी कार ही है, नया थाकले भी कार ही है। क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
তাই না?
निकाल रहा हूँ मेरे भाई, रुक जाना।
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. One sec, like navigation is taking time.
वो आरसीसी बेगमपेट, आरसीसी एलिट बेगमपेट।
BS मटका लेन बोल के दिखा रहा है, मक्ता लेन।
हाँ वही है।
हाँ वही है।
तुम्हें
Good sir, you guys are comfortable?
Yes.
Yeah, very comfortable.
Let me know if you guys need something.
Sure.
One sec, I'll just.
No problem.
See, I'm also a corporate employee. I do it only on the weekends.
Oh, that's so nice.
How interesting.
That is nice. And that is so impressive.
Yeah, that's very interesting. So you do that to get the extra sort of.
Extra nahi bhaiya. Let's say, see, I'm actually interested in people. I might wrap it around so many things and say ki like, bhai, I love people and all that. But people practically will look at what? कि भाई एक्स्ट्रा पैसे के लिए कर रहे हैं, बट आई एम जेन्युइनली इंटरेस्टेड इन पीपल लाइक यू।
That is so commendable. That is commendable.
Now you guys are sitting, I don't know you, but by the end of this ride we will know कि भाई कोई बंदा है जो ऐसा कुछ कर रहा है।
No, that's great.
I will know कि भाई भैया का नाम ये था, भाभी का नाम ये था, something like that. So I love meeting people.
It's great.
Yeah, we all want to do something like this, but we are like somewhat scared, judgments, this, that. But maybe like
but also like
so
I mean here in India we are so classist that we don't see work as work. I think so. The fact that you have come out of that is really commendable.
Yeah, no. And I have my YouTube channel, so
brilliant.
The idea behind the channel is that I'll have people on my car, and I'll discuss things with them or have discussions,
right?
And maybe edit it, put the best thing there.
Fantastic.
And if content works out, then I can give free ride to the entire city. I mean, I can roam like this.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
I mean, like, of course, not at this point.
No.
Because ultimately, मैं अपना petrol जला रहा हूँ. Somewhere, like, I would want that to be compensated.
So, what's your like weekday job? What do you do otherwise?
I work.
Okay.
And we are into.
Right.
What do you do here?
I teach.
IT. Okay, teacher. Wow.
Yeah. From West Bengal.
Acha, you are basically from West Bengal.
Yeah. No, I live there. We have come here for my son's treatment.
Acha.
He's got an eye situation, so we're going to LV Prasad tomorrow. This is his second checkup.
Okay. How did you like the hospital? How are you liking Hyderabad?
It's very nice. I mean, both. The hospital, of course, I mean, we have previous experience with others in the family.
Yeah.
And Hyderabad is, of course, a very interesting city. Not that I've roamed much because I didn't have time. Like, we always come on a,
Tight
schedule. But this time probably we're planning to come with a bit more time so that I can finally roam around.
I mean, like, to roam around, of course, like, there are, they will tell you about this place, that place, but I think
we like the old city.
Vibe is good. First of all, Kolkata is so beautiful. I love the place.
Yes, Kolkata is beautiful only when it doesn't rain, but that's okay.
And I think it's the people who make it beautiful. Right?
Yeah, that's true. Also, it's still one of India's livable cities.
Yeah.
I mean, we're
affordable
having this
also.
Conversation today only that you cannot live in Delhi anymore because of the
pollution.
Air condition. Yeah. And you cannot live in Mumbai or Bangalore because you can't move from A to B.
Yeah.
But also the expenditure, it's through the roof.
Yep.
You cannot really support a life that you will be able to support in a city. Say,
I mean,
like Kolkata, for 100 rupee.
Exactly.
The things you get, you won't be able to get
in
them
Kolkata,
done. In
you can still get decent accommodation for 25,000 a month.
Okay.
Still possible.
Yeah.
But I don't imagine that's possible in Delhi or Mumbai or even in Hyderabad. I don't think so.
some of our friends stay in Mumbai and Delhi as
Yeah, like 60,000 a
share-
month or
yeah,
something.
yeah.
Share it for 30,000. That's
Yeah.
like in Kolkata you can have a big flat for 30,000
yourself.
To yourself.
Oh,
So that's there. Of course, there are less opportunities, and I mean, in a changing landscape.
but still livable and nice. I mean,
I
happy.
mean, Kolkata
Yeah,
is
mostly.
somewhat laid back.
Hmm.
People who are interested in business might not find it as enthusiastic as other
cities.
metropolitan cities.
I mean, here, let's say you hear every day that some foreign investment is
Yeah.
coming.
Yeah, that is not
Some
there
companies
in
coming up.
Kolkata.
Yeah.
You know, the environment of starting a business
Yeah.
is less helpful in Kolkata than
I mean, even I guess India's ease of doing business is very low,
Yeah.
and there are
but
reasons.
still,
I
but
mean,
still there are metropolitan cities which are thriving on.
no, they might be thriving, but they in India, if you have to do anything, whether even starting a mundane NGO,
Yeah.
there's so much paperwork
Yeah.
that people get tired after a while.
But what happens here is, let's say, for example, when big investors come
Hmm.
and when CM and that kind level of people are involved.
Yeah.
So what happens is they write off so many things.
Yes.
So for your example, you and me want to start a restaurant.
Hmm.
You will need FSI registration.
Yeah. Yeah.
You will need this and that.
Hmm.
People will come and
Hmm.
check.
Hmm.
But when if the CM is saying कि भाई उनको कोई दिक्कत नहीं होना चाहिए, then things will become simpler.
No,
Hmm.
even RCM goes to that extent.
But the
for
perception,
Yeah.
breaking the
No,
perception.
Also, the other thing is that I mean, I guess all over India there is always a bit of kickback that you have to give
Yeah.
to both elected officials
Yeah.
and I mean the bureaucracy who are
sorry.
not elected.
Yeah.
And I think that's one aspect of our democracy that's never talked about,
No.
is that the bureaucracy is unchanging.
Yeah.
You can change a government,
Yeah.
but you cannot change your officers.
Yeah. I think like there's no positive and negative about things. I mean, everything in life is a mixture of so many things. I mean, the variables that we are talking about.
if you take that bit out,
Yeah.
just to look at it, that if someone is coming to visit Kolkata
Yeah.
or any part of West Bengal for that matter,
Yeah.
it's very beautiful.
Of course, there are bad people everywhere, right? But
वो
they are the
तो है।
exceptions. But otherwise, it's a complex kind of situation. Venture.
I mean, like that is how it's in Hyderabad. I mean,
Yeah.
you have options whether you want to go
Right.
for a public job or a private
or
job.
a private job, yeah.
And yeah, just in case you don't make it there, you can make
and-
it here.
Yeah.
And options are plenty.
Options are plenty. I mean, like look at the companies that are there here.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think.
Many of our friends come over to Hyderabad to work for the corporate house.
Yeah, I've got friends who work here.
Mm.
I've got friends in Kolkata. I mean, people who are colleagues.
Mm.
So I think I know the
Yeah.
political landscape there.
Right.
At the same time, like how people
Mm.
think about things
Mm.
and like the way things are going there.
Oversight
Well,
in
I'm
India.
just stopping by. All I want to do is change my light. Okay,
Yeah, sure.
the color of the light.
Mm.
I will just make some
No,
change.
that's okay.
I have got some fancy light attached.
Yeah. Funny.
So yeah, now the police guy will not know whether I have got a aftermarket color or something.
Right.
I've actually got a YouTube channel and I'm a biker.
Oh,
Yeah,
And
so I do long rides.
where have you been to?
I have done Hyderabad to Madhya Pradesh, Ujjain.
Okay.
I have done Hyderabad to Goa, Hyderabad to Kolli Hills. Kolli Hills is supposed to be one of the dangerous
Mm.
roads.
Okay.
So I've done Hyderabad
So
to
what
that.
bike do you use?
I have a Himalayan 450.
Okay.
So yeah, that is how this happened, that I wanted to meet more people. I wanted to experience more things. So I said, okay, fine, let me buy a car.
Mhm.
Do I want to do it full time? Maybe for now I don't have an idea.
Yeah.
Because I would, like, you can't say ki like acha ek ride acha gaya to every ride is going to be
May
like
not
this.
work.
And it's all about people at the same time. Like I have a family to feed.
Right.
So yeah, it's a mix of so many things.
Yes, of course.
तो अब सबको बैलेंस करते हुए चल रहे हैं. I mean, at the end of the day, a middle class guy is supposed to do that only. That भाई सबको बैलेंस करना है,
Yes.
सबको खुशी करना है.
Then
But
also
I was
that
actually
you-
listening to Naval Ravikant. Naval
Uh-huh.
Ravikant is basically they call him a modern day monk.
Okay.
I was hearing to him and he was saying that do things that is work for others but fun for you. For some reason that stuck with me. Doing more of things that feel fun for me. This is fun for me.
Okay.
Now if you are seeing and you are looking at me saying that this is a poor guy riding the car, driving the car.
Look, We are not here to judge you.
No. I'm just saying. But I am just enjoying doing thing that I enjoy. That's all.
No, because my friend told me that he met a 70-year-old man in Kolkata who's retired from a pretty well-paying job.
Yeah.
And
And doing
as
this.
a pension, he's driving Uber.
Yeah.
So just do something like what you're doing,
Yeah,
I guess,
yeah.
to meet different people.
Yeah. So
That's very interesting. But then again, it's a lot of work, isn't it? I mean,
it
you
is,
work
it
every
is.
day and then you work on the weekends.
it
as
is.
well.
And other than that, I am a fitness trainer. I am a certified kickboxer.
Okay.
So
yeah.
so that adds more. That means more work.
Mm.
That means like irrespective of the fact how much ever tired I am,
Mm.
I will go to the gym.
Yeah.
I will practice my boxing, and more to it.
Mm.
But again, at the end of the day, it's like things I am doing out of love, out of passion. Maybe I was living a normal life where I was going to the office, and they talk about 6 figures, making the 6 figures and all that.
Mm.
But I left my job. I'm like, okay, what do I want to do in life?
Mm.
So in 2022, I was actually working for,
Right.
and I worked for them for 6 years.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I left my job because I felt ki, like, what am I doing in my life? And I was earning well. I had good growth opportunities, everything good.
Mm.
But I left the job, and like for almost a year, I was like sitting idle or maybe doing some odd jobs.
Mm.
Like I got some good packages and all that, but I didn't work for them. And ultimately, I took up a job. But within this time,
Mm.
I got the opportunity to think, how do I want to live my life? So yeah, I'm doing all of that.
You only get to live once.
Huh, exactly.
Yeah. I mean, as long as you don't feel stressed, please.
Yeah.
So how do you take those bike trips? I mean, are there any specific times in year when you undertake
So
those?
this is how I think about it.
Mhm.
That okay, I will, for example, I am thinking about like recently I went to Vijayawada a day before yesterday.
Mm.
Okay, so I will think about it. So one day it'll stick to me like this, that I can't live without it.
Okay.
So that day I will decide कि हाँ आज तो मैं जा रहा हूँ.
Okay, it's
Yeah.
that spontaneous.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you go on solo trips.
I do both. I mean, like usually I like to have a pillion,
Yeah.
some friend or somebody who is with me, because I am a people person. Maybe like I
Mhm.
don't like that psychoism where I'm alone, and like
Yeah.
I usually like to take my brother or like my friends
Okay.
whose company I enjoy. I just
Right.
ask them, if you want to come, please join me. And ultimately, by let's say it's like I have 2 seats. One I am riding and another one is empty.
Mm.
Irrespective you sit or not, it'll cost me the same.
True.
So I would rather ask you to like come with me, and maybe like show you some places, and enjoy the place with you. Is it very cold for you guys?
What? No.
Yeah.
No,
Let
pretty
me know.
comfortable.
Pretty
Yeah.
comfortable. I'm saying that bike rides need to be handled safely. I think
Very safely.
Many bikers
Yeah.
don't really understand. The
No,
risks.
when I
You
Yeah.
were talking about your Ujjain.
Yeah.
Trip.
Ujjain ride,
Yeah.
okay. So yeah, we basically went to Omkareshwar first. So at Omkareshwar you have got Mamleshwar Mahadev ji.
Okay.
So we did darshan there, stayed for the
Mhm.
night, and early morning we started for Ujjain. So Omkareshwar to Ujjain is around 150 kilometers or something. I don't exactly remember,
Mm.
but somewhat like that. कि like 3-4 घंटे का रास्ता है.
Mm.
So in Ujjain also it was not like कि यार एक दिन के लिए गए और निकल गए.
Mm.
So in Ujjain we had stayed for like 5 days.
Mm.
So it was very fascinating. I mean, what we did is every day we used to wake up, and for example, if I have half an hour now,
Mm.
I would go to Kaleshwar Baba and like do darshan and come back. And like that, we used to even go to like Bhairav Baba.
Mm.
I mean, there is a Bhairav temple,
Okay.
so they call him the Kal Bhairav.
Okay.
So this is the temple where they give him liquor for prasad,
Right.
for bhog. So very very powerful temples these are.
Mhm.
If you're in Hyderabad, I would highly recommend you going to Sri Shailam.
Srisailam.
Yeah, Sri Shailam is a Shakti Peeth and
Okay.
Jyotirling at the same time.
Okay, we have never heard of it.
Yeah, I mean, like you might be talking about places near Hyderabad,
Okay.
but that is one place I would recommend कि like जाके आइए, बहुत
What?
magical place है.
Srisailam.
जी, मल्लिकार्जुना स्वामी टेम्पल बोल के रहता है.
Okay.
I mean, for me, like I have been there on bike at least 7-8 times,
Mm.
and I've had an accident, but still I'm suggesting that place. but it's very magical, I would say. My channel's name is Jitesh, JEETESH,
Okay.
Jitesh space KUMAR space JHA, Jha.
KUMAR.
Space JHA, Jha. So you will find two channels, one in Telugu and Hindi.
Okay.
I would say like both the channels get, I mean, I'm talking about the Omkareshwar trip, right? You can see that trip in my Telugu channel. These are attachments that we have created
Yes.
for our own
So you
trips.
have children?
I have a baby, yeah.
Okay.
She's 3. She's 3.
Oh.
That's
Oh.
So yeah, actually I live in a joint family. So
Great.
so it's like my brother has 3 daughters
okay.
So
and I have 1 daughter. So it's like
So
we have 4
4
daughters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's never a difference that okay.
Of course.
We don't have like 1 daughter or 3 daughters. It's like 4 daughters. That's all.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
I would want my kid to have that bade papa ka pyar.
Yes. Of course.
I would want my brother's child to know कि like उनके चाचा कैसे हैं.
Mm.
And they spend more time with me than my brother. So I love
That's
that.
so beautiful.
Okay, we are
so-
here.
Yes. And
It was lovely speaking to you guys.
same here.
Same here. Yeah.
And we have subscribed to your channel, so
Thank
we'll
you so
remain
much.
in touch. Thank you.
you
We
so
had
much.
we had a great time with you.
It was lovely
And-
speaking to you guys.
The world is small. Hope to meet you someday.
Yeah.
again.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye buddy, take care.
Now,
Yeah.
don't sneeze all over the
Thank
new
you so
carpet.
much.
Bye ma'am, take care. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.